Yeah, it's fetch because the timing out, so it will be wait. So if I go continue, it's indirect, so array dot article action. Oh, yeah, it is my typing issue. So it take too long because this await. Actually, I have a typing issue. I don't have an article, so it directly it go back. Actually, I have the data. So I expect this data. It is data. Then this suppose is everything supposed working fine. Instead, let it waiting too long. So I don't need to debug anymore. So yeah, so it's working. So IO text and then stay on the top, and when you resize, when you click select, so all task is finished, but they have a task 4 just need you generate talking how would you improve the code base and how kind of tool would you use in the repo to help a developer collaborate. And this code base for test, I think enough, but actually you could talking about maybe like the RO. In here, this is React components. So normally we use React components to generate a DOM element. So like for example, like this resize mouse movement, I think better handled by you use another library, or you could create your React hook. So these have no logic related to this DOM element. Yeah, this is number one. And another thing I think could approve it is this listed. So like this server-side code, it make a fetch to another core, and this have a nothing to do the components. This actually could have two things you could refactor. Some company use this is a side effects. Some company use a thunk. This is the older way, or you could Redux Saga to handle the side effects. Also for this bunch of function refactor also will be easy. From the code base, I think enough for this one. And another thing we could add ESLint picture and or to improve the code format. Yeah, I think that's it for this test.